channel, Statements by Rainbow. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a pack with me video. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. So whether you're going out of town, going somewhere for the weekend, different city, different state, out the country or whatever, you got a pack. Can't get away from that. So me personally, when me and my family go somewhere, I'm the person in charge of packing. So I try to start 2 to 3 weeks prior. When I say 2 to 3 weeks prior, I mean rather if I need to order something, go out and buy anything, see what we have, see what you need, and different stuff like that. So usually I see, of course, think about how many days I'm going to be going, what the weather is like, what type of things we're going to be doing. One of the things I like to do a little overpacking because you never know what you're going to run into, whether the weather, something comes up or you go somewhere in particular. So I like to overpack. So if you're going on a 2-day getaway, I would say pack 5 outfits. If you're going on a 7-day trip, I would say probably pack 10 outfits. That's just me personally because you never know. You always want rather something dressy, unless you just don't do certain things. But you may go to some type of event, some fancy dinner, or club partying or whatever the case may be. So you want to make sure you have something. You also want to make sure you have a pair of tennis shoes. If you're going for, say, far as the summertime, you want a pair of tennis shoes because you just don't know. Rain gear, like I said, depending on what time of the year you're going and where you're going at, you want to try to be as prepared as possible versus having to buy things while you're out there. And so that's just me. I like to try to plan ahead. So me and my family, we're about to go on vacation, and it's 7 of us that's going. So like I said, I'm in charge of making sure everybody has everything. So we still have days to go, but everyone is pretty much packed. The only thing left is, for the most part, hygiene products, undergarments, and probably shoes is the only thing left as far as what needs to go in the kids' bag. So me and my wife, when we normally travel, we normally share a suitcase or 2. For this trip, we're going to try to use 1 suitcase. So we're going to get right into it, okay? Alright, so this is the suitcase that we're going to be using, and it's empty. Alright, so what I've been doing lately is using these bags. You can use freezer bags. I like to put me and my wife outfits together for each day. So this will be my outfit, a little one-piece onesie, and I pretty much just fold everything and I put it in the bag. Sometimes I actually will put the accessories in the bag with the outfit. This is my wife's choice. I just found it easier, so you won't have to be digging, looking for things. Make sure, try to get as much of the air out. Zip it up. Alright. We got a pair of tights and a cami, and that's my outfit. My wife's shirt. And her shorts. Like I said, you can use a freezer bag. I got this t-shirt from Shein. This is my shirt, which I actually brought last summer for a trip and did not use it. And her shorts. I got the same shirts on top. We both have the same dress. Yes, we seem to coordinate a lot. So, just like I said, instead of rumbling around through the suitcase, if you're one of those people that don't take your stuff out the suitcase, you don't have to rumble around. You can just pick through the packs. And of course, it's Pride Month, so we have these shirts of light. And we have the same shorts. A little wrinkly. We'll iron it. There. And this is my dress. Of course, I'm gonna refold this stuff. My wife's tights from Walmart. Cute little tights. A shirt. This is from Shein. This is from doing my clothing haul video. It's inside out. If you haven't watched that yet, go do so. Show you some of the things I brought, which were for our trip. My wife another pair of little tights from Walmart. Okay, cute little top. Like I said, I just find it so much easier. You already know what you're wearing. You can just pick through the bag. You kind of already know what you have. It's just easier. Then also, depending on what you put in your bag, like your shoes and stuff, your stuff won't get dirty. Or when you have certain liquids inside, they won't spill on your stuff. This is my wife's shirt. Like I said, Pride Month. Happy Pride to anyone that's watching. And a little jumper. Alright, my little I take stuff out after I did the video. This was another outfit I tried on in the video. It's a one piece, which is mine. Alright, we almost done, y'all. As far as the clothes stuff. Didn't get the air out of it. Alright. And we have our bathing suits. Well, check this out. Put in the bag. Y'all don't need to see those. This bag is a little small compared to the rest of them. Sit that right there. Pajamas, which I have to put my wife's pajamas in here as well. I have it done so yet. Put those underneath. Then we both wear glasses. So what I do is put the glasses in the cases. And I try to, of course, match with the outfits. We have our cleaning cloth. Then I also put the spray, the cleaning eyeglasses spray inside, as well as the little screwdriver just in case we have any issues, which we never have so far. Now, those glasses I put in front because I don't want them on the side. And then usually, of course, when I travel, I also put like my chargers or something that I need immediately in here, whether boarding pass or whatever the case may be, passport or whatever. I put probably inside here if I don't put it in my purse. So I always take feminine product, whether I'm on or not, just in case for you ladies. You know what I'm talking about. Alright. So then you start putting the shoes in. There's actually, I think, 2 more pair of shoes I need to add in here. I have to figure out which ones though. So, boom. Alright. Then I got my makeup bag, which has my makeup in it. Got my cleaning wipes. When I travel, when I get to somewhere, I like to wipe everything down beforehand, and that was before even Corona started. My makeup wipes. I got some soap. My shea butter, which I need to buy some more. I'm almost out. And then flushable wipes. Then I have another bag, which I start adding like my perfumes and lotions. And again, you don't want nothing leaking out onto your clothes and stuff like that. So that's that bag. And put it. Then my hair products, I put in a bag as well, which I already have some clips inside. Put this in here as well, and then like so then my body wash. Lotion, deodorant, cleaning spray. That's what I like to clean before I go. Well, once I get there, air fresheners. This is a good one, especially for people who smoke and stuff. All right. Alright, you guys. Now, I ain't gonna lie, it's heavy. But everything is inside the suitcase. So we're actually gonna be gone for 4 days. And I think I have 6 or 7 outfits for me and my wife. So 12 to 14 outfits. I think it was probably about 7 or 8 pair of shoes. Well, 8 to 9 pair of shoes already in here. Like I said, I need to add toothbrush, toothpaste, another pair of shoes, my wife's pajamas, and then we'll have a little extra bag for the grown-up stuff and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. Take us a jacket, maybe a blanket, neck pillow or whatever. We're good to go. So, what y'all think? Now, we're going to do another one for the kid. So, like I said, it's 7 of us going. I guess the easiest one to pack, I'm going to do the one, well, by the time this come out, it'll be 10. So, the 10-year-old's suitcase. So, stay tuned to that next video. Alright, you guys? Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and of course share. You guys, thanks for watching again. Have a good one.